Hey guys, today we're gonna fix the Samsung Galaxy Ace 2X or the Samsung Galaxy Duos. So what you need is some guitar picks, screwdriver, sponger, and a magnet so you can take off the screws. So let's get started. First you take off your micro SD card, the battery too, your SIM card, okay. Now you have to take off these screws. This. Of course, I'm missing some screws because I lost them. But take off all the screws and use a magnet to take the screws out. So now you'll need your guitar picks just between the plastic and the glass. Put that aside. Okay, now need your sponger. Take off this wire here. So take off your speaker. Take this wire too out. And the power button. This one is glued, so careful. Now you need to take off the screw right here. Now you have to separate the motherboard from the screen itself. There's a wire between the glass and the screen and the motherboard right here. You need to take that off too. Here it is. Get another glass or screen. Links will be in the description. Take your new one and just do steps again. So connect this wire right here. Until you hear a click. Oh wait. Make sure your power button is outside. So put the camera inside where it's supposed to be. Make sure you're closing everything right. Put the screw where it was. Whoops. Make sure all your wires are outside before you put in the motherboard. So you connect this this wire here to the motherboard. Power button, you put it nice place right here. The microphone right here until you hear a click, and put its wire inside the motherboard. Now you put back your frame. Push on it until you hear a click on every side. Put the battery, just test if it works. If it does, just put back all the screws. Make sure not lose your screws like I did. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.